Today we are going to install the Cisco Meraki MS120-8FP into the RM-CI-T7 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the Cisco Meraki appliance and rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit with front plate, 2 nuts, and installation instructions. Fully slide the mounting slides outward so the holes line up with the upright threaded pins. Place the appliance in the left-hand side of the rack with the connections facing towards the front. Screw the nuts on the threaded pins. Once the screw is tight, the appliance is secured. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the rack and front plate into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.